I just bought silver on 3 positions on the 1 hour time frame. As you can see, this is on the 1 hour time frame. This is an uptrend. This is an uptrend. And if you look at this, you can also see that a symmetrical triangle has been formed. Symmetrical triangle has been formed. At the same time, I'm looking for trend continuation. If you draw your Fibonacci on this place, this swing high, all the way to this swing low here, you can see price is around the 38.2 Fibonacci level. So hopefully price can head up. I'm also looking at this pair, silver US dollar, on the daily time frame. I'm thinking of selling it when price gets to this zone. This is the butterfly pattern. So since I'm not reading this now, I will not want to explain it, but I'm looking at selling this once price enters here. I'll be watching price action carefully. If price gets in here, especially at this extreme in the bus, which is around, let me measure it so you can see clearly. Which is slightly above 109.2 Fibonacci level. I'm thinking of selling it when price gets to this place, but of course I'll be watching price action again. So after entering this trade, you can see on M30, you can see this bearish close candle, then this huge bearish close. So price is really coming against me. So there is a pattern that is in play right now, and which is the Gatling pattern. Let me draw it out so that you can see. It's a harmonic pattern. See, if you draw from this swing high here down to this swing low, you can see the retracements down to 61.8 Fibonacci level. So this is a Gatling pattern. Let me draw it out so that you can see. So the Gatling pattern is in play right now. Right now is in play. So this is what I'm talking about. Here to here. From here and down to this place. So it's in play. This is what is happening right now. Let me delete it so that you can see what I'm talking about. If you look at it, you can see the Fibonacci. If you look at it, this is 78.6% Fibonacci level. So after, you can see this bullish close, after price hits this place, it closed very, very low, almost at 61.8 Fibonacci level. So this pattern is still in play. Hopefully it fails soon. That's my wish. Hopefully it fails soon. As it is now, market is going how I want it to be. But if, as it is now, you can see after price gets to this place, it retraced back to 50% Fibonacci level. So I believe this pattern has played out. That's my thought as it is now. I believe it has played out. So I'll keep watching price action to know how things turns out, to see how things turns out, because I actually don't know how this is going to be. But as it is, I love what I'm seeing right here. Out of the woods, you can see this huge drawdown is being compensated now. The trade is now in profit. So what you can notice about my chart is the simplicity. What am I using here? The only tool I have used is the Fibonacci tool and this trend line, this and this. No need for so many indicators. So trading this way takes practice. It takes investment of time. When you know what to do, it comes with ease. Life is already complicated. We shouldn't complicate. So I believe in simplicity, and I'm taking out my time to show you how I trade. With this, just the trend lines and the Fibonacci tool that I've used. So from this pattern here, from these price actions, with the help of the candlesticks, there are so many things here. The MW pattern, ABCD pattern is also here. If you look at this, let me bring out my Fibonacci tool. So if you look at this, you can see an MW structure, which is a Gatli. I've showed that before. You see, in this Gatli, the Gatli is still active, but once the price closes above 113% Fibonacci level, then the Gatli has played out. You can see. So let me draw it out for the sake of those who may not understand it. In a Gatli, we are supposed to buy from 78.6% Fibonacci level to 88.6 Fibonacci level. Then our stop loss is supposed to be above 100% Fibonacci level. So as you can see, if price closes above 100% Fibonacci level, it means the Gatli pattern has played out. I can't say it has failed, because after it got here, after price entered here, you can see it retraces back to this level. So I cannot say the Gatli pattern has failed. So let me draw it out fully so that you can see. From this swing high down to this swing low, then you take it to the 61.8 Fibonacci level. You also draw from this swing high here down to this swing low to this place. So if I were to trade this Gatli pattern, my potential reversal zone would have been from here to here. I would have entered somewhere around 88.6. So I would have shorted this pair as it is now. I would have shorted it as it is. But that's not what I'm trading. So let me get rid of this. So another thing you need to note is the ABC equal to CD. AB equal CD pattern that is also in play. Let me mark it here. Here is our X. Let's call here X, and here O. Let's call here A. Here becomes our B. Here becomes our C. Here becomes our D. So unselect all. So as you can see, from this swing high here, which is our X, to this swing low, which is our O, a pattern has just played out, which is AB equal to CD. So something like this, AB equal to CD. So this has also played out. A quick one. If you've been watching this video keenly, you will notice that my stop loss was below this swing low here, and now I have moved my stop loss to this level. So what am I doing? I'm reducing my risk. As more higher highs and higher lows are formed, I'll be adjusting my stop loss as they keep forming, but I'll give the trade enough room to move around. Had I put my stop loss around here, I would have been taken out because my entry was just around here. I'll be taken out long ago. Let me see, trade history. So look at where I entered this trade. 1, 2, 3. I entered it here, and after that price moved higher before coming down to form a lower high here before going this high. So if my stop loss was here initially, I may have been taken out, but I put it right here. So now that price has gone this far, I'm moving my stop to this level. I don't know what might happen, but at any point I wouldn't want to lose this trade. Before I can exit this trade, I'll be watching the trend lines. You can see price has formed a trend line. See this point here, another point here, then this point now. After price tested this support line, you can see this strong rejection. After that, this very healthy bullish candle close before we have this fresh one now, which is also bullish. So in the future, price might go higher and come back to retest this support, then head higher again. So the behavior might be this way: go more higher, come back, retest. Then as it keeps retesting and heading upward, a time may come where price may decide to break this trend line altogether. Once price closes this trend line and close below the trend line, it will be a time to start considering when to exit this trade. So as you are trading, you don't need to trade blindly. You don't need to think, oh, my target is here, and you just let the trade go. You need to check how the trade is doing by watching price behavior. So guys, price action is key. So you keep watching price action. Once, like I've said, once a candle closes outside, you just have to start analyzing. Once you have something like this, you just have to start analyzing what to do, because it means the trend is changing. Hello guys, as you can see, the trade is going nicely, and we are at this resistance level now. So this is where the issue was. You can see how hard it was for price to get to this level, and as it is now, there was a strong bearish candle close. After that, the bulls, they became angry, and you can see this present candle that is right here. So price is still at the zone. So any close above this place is a sign that we have overcome this level, and the targets may be around this zone. So as it is, I may close this manually, so I may not show when I'm exiting this trade, because the way price is going now, I wouldn't want price to come here then I want to do a video before price started reversing. So if price gets to this point, I'll look at it and decide to close this manually. As things are now, I might decide to close this trade where it is. You can see there is so much battle going on here between the bears and the bulls. You can see so much. It's as if everything is at equal level. Let me go to depth of the market and see so that I can show you depth of the market. All right, so you can see they are quite even. The orders at this point is almost equal to the orders at this point. See, the volume is 5 here, 1 here, the same thing, 5 here, 1 here. So that is why no one seems to be winning. At the point where someone will start winning, either the bear or the bull, then there has to be an increase in volume. As here is 5 plus 1, 6. Same thing as 5 plus 1, 6 here. So the volume is even until we get something higher, until somebody decided to buy more volume, then we can go higher than this place. If not, we'll remain at this point. And at this point is not a nice place to be, especially if you are watching your candle constantly the way I'm doing, so that I can update this video. It's not a good sign to be watching this go up, down, up, down, up, down this way. You might be tempted to close this trade, and I have been tempted to close this trade several times. As it is now, let me show you. This is my live account. As it is now, my current profit is $56. Previously it was 70 something, but now it has dropped. So if you are watching this, you might be forced to close and take what you have. I'm closing this trade. I know it can still go higher, but I'm taking profit at this point. Taking my first profit. I'm closing here too. Taking my second profit. Let me take my last profit and forget about this trade. It has been a good run. It has been a good run. I'm grateful for this. You can still go higher, but at this point I've exited this trade. If you like this video, I want you to please subscribe and turn on notifications so that when next I publish a video, you will be the first to know. Also give this video a thumbs up and help me to share it so that more people can get to see this video. So this is it from me, guys, on how to trade silver and make a good profit. Thanks for watching.